Are you ready to uncover the secret trick top marketers use to earn thousands effortlessly? In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to transform your Pinterest account into a passive income powerhouse with these simple affiliate marketing strategies. Don't miss out! First things first, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right product. This is crucial because not everything you'll find on an affiliate platform will give you good returns. You want to look for products that are in high demand. How do you know what's popular? One way is to use Pinterest itself as a research tool. Type in keywords related to potential products and see what pops up. Popular pins are usually an indicator of what people are currently interested in. Now, once you've found a few potential products, it's time to dig a little deeper. You'll want to check the commission rates offered by these products. Some affiliate programs might offer a small percentage, while others can offer substantial commissions. Aim for products that offer both high demand and high commission rates. This sweet spot will maximize your earning potential. Another tip is to look for products with long cookie durations. What's a cookie duration? It's the period during which a sale can be credited to you after a user clicks your affiliate link. A longer cookie duration means you have a higher chance of earning a commission if the user makes a purchase later. So, do you have any products in mind that you think might be high in demand? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action, this course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Understanding your audience's needs and preferences is key to successful affiliate marketing. Knowing what your audience is genuinely interested in can make the difference between a thriving Pinterest account and one that falls flat. Start by considering your audience's demographics. Who are they? Are they primarily young professionals, stay-at-home parents, or maybe fitness enthusiasts? Each group will have different needs and preferences. Use Pinterest analytics to gain insights into their interests, behaviors, and engagement patterns. This data will help you understand their pain points and desires better. Next, think about the type of content your audience engages with the most. Are they pinning a lot of home decor ideas, fitness tips, or perhaps digital marketing strategies? The content they save can give you a clear idea of what types of products they might be interested in. Create boards and pins around these themes, making sure to incorporate affiliate links naturally. To increase your chances of success, blend your affiliate marketing with valuable content. Share helpful tips, how-to guides, or inspiring stories that match the products you're promoting. People are more likely to click on your affiliate links if they feel they're getting something valuable in return. Remember, building trust with your audience is essential. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only recommend products that you genuinely believe will add value to their lives. Authenticity will not only boost your credibility, but also encourage more clicks on your links. To keep things interesting, consider mixing up your content formats. Try a video pin, infographics, or interactive content to keep your audience engaged. Different formats can attract different segments of your audience and keep them coming back for more. So, what strategies have you found effective in understanding and meeting your audience's needs? Evaluating affiliate programs for reliability and performance metrics is crucial for maximizing your earnings potential. The first step is to look at the program's reputation. Check reviews from other affiliates to see if the program is known for timely payments and clear communication. A quick online search or joining affiliate marketing forums can give you insights and feedback from experienced marketers. Next, analyze the commission structure. Understand the percentage you will earn per sale and whether it's a one-time payment or recurring. Programs that offer recurring commissions can provide a more stable income, especially if they are for subscription services. Also, look into the cookie duration. This defines how long an affiliate link tracks a customer's purchase. Longer cookie durations can significantly increase the chances of earning a commission. Another key factor is the type of support and resources provided by the affiliate program. Top-tier programs often offer extensive marketing materials, training webinars, and dedicated affiliate managers who can answer questions and help optimize your campaigns. These resources can be incredibly valuable in improving your promotional strategies and boosting conversions. Finally, monitor the program's performance through data analytics. Track metrics such as conversion rates, average order value, and earnings per click. These indicators will show you how well the program is performing and whether it is worth your continued investment of time and resources. Using these metrics, you can make informed decisions about which programs to continue with and which ones to drop. What criteria do you use when evaluating affiliate programs? Share your thoughts in the comments.